Hey guys, recently Xiaomi has released a video highlighting the ambient light flashing on the new Redmi K40 Game Enhanced Edition on its rear camera. This video shows that the LED can switch to a different color. In another Vivo post, Xiaomi revealed the light work with games and serves as notification LEDs for calls, messages, notifications and charging. So the Redmi K40 Game Enhanced Edition will be the first smartphone to come with industry's first lightning special shaped flash. It will be close to RGB lighting that we get in many gaming devices. When taking pictures, it will emit a dazzling light illuminating you in the dark. So this new type of LED looks very cool, especially when you will play game with this smartphone. Another update about this smartphone is very interesting and it's related to the sound profile. The company has given a very strong announcement related to this smartphone sound quality. We all know that sound is a very important factor when it comes to playing games and watching movies or any kind of multimedia. So keeping this in mind, Redmi has partnered with one of the biggest audio maker, JBL, for the Redmi K40 Game Enhanced Edition. The company has released this poster and it confirms the Redmi gaming smartphone features JBL sound. This is the first time when JBL has partnered with any smartphone maker. So the dual stereo JBL speakers on Redmi K40 Game Enhanced Edition are going to be great. More specifications include a 6.67-inch Samsung OLED E4 display panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It has 480Hz touch sampling rate. It will be HDR10+ certified display panel. Redmi has already confirmed that it will use the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, which is based on 6nm process. This processor supports 5G dual SIM dual standby. Talking about the battery department, it has 5065 mAh battery and it supports 67-watt fast charging, which is super fast. In terms of design, Redmi has confirmed that the phone will come with metal frame and there will be Gorilla Glass protection on both sides. There are 3 new colors, which are black, silver and this bronze looking one. Company has confirmed that they will launch this smartphone on 27th April. Redmi will price this smartphone very aggressively, at least in China, and it could be the most affordable gaming smartphone. This smartphone will also launch globally and in India, maybe under Poco branding. So guys, at what price would you be interested in buying this Redmi K40 Game Enhanced Edition? Let me know in comments down below. Follow me on Twitter at TechXTRJ. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.